Xiamen Shashun Aluminium Foil Company Limited is one of the world's leading companies and China's largest manufacturer of high-quality aluminium foil used in the food, beverage and tobacco industries. Following the construction of its own aluminium hot rolling mill with an annual capacity of 200,000 tonnes, Shashun moved from being a re-roller to becoming a producer of its own starting material. In addition to foil material, which is up to 0.006 of a millimetre thin and used in the manufacture of capacitors, for medical applications and for packaging in the food industry, they also manufacture lithography plates. Shashun uses state-of-the-art production facilities. In 2010, the hot rolling mill and the two EBNER pusher-type furnaces for homogenizing and reheating aluminium ingots went into production. Each pusher furnace has a charging capacity of 24 ingots measuring up to 620 mm thick, 2,200 mm high and 5,000 mm long. At the entry to each furnace, there is a dedicated ingot handling system. At the furnace exit end, there's an automatic ingot crane that serves both furnaces to lift the hot ingots onto the down ender, also supplied by EBNER. During the expansion phase in 2013, an additional EBNER pusher-type furnace was installed alongside the existing furnaces.